Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Cool Kids Toys. Today we're going to be making some pizzas with this Play-Doh Pizza Party playset. This looks like a lot of fun, so let's get started. Here's a closer look at the front of the box. The set includes 15 different pieces, including 5 different colors of Play-Doh. And here's a look at the back of the box. So let's open it up, see what's inside. And here's a look at all the items outside of the box. We get 1 white Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, one yellow Play-Doh, 1 green Play-Doh, and a red Play-Doh. Here's a look at the extruder. We'll use this to make the cheese for the pizza. And here's a look at the knife. This will come in handy. And here's the pizza cutter. We'll use this to cut slices of pizza. Next we've got a pizza peel. We'll use this for pulling the pizza out of the oven. And on the back it's got molds for making different toppings. Next we have a pizza box. We can use this to save our leftovers. Here's the pizza pan. We'll use this to make the pizza. And here's a plate to serve the pizza on. And here's a serving spatula. A fork. And a rolling pin. Alright, I'm getting hungry. Let's make a pizza. First, we're going to use the molds on the bottom of the pizza pan to make the different toppings. We'll start with this green Play-Doh and make some broccoli. Alright, the broccoli's all done. Now let's make some mushrooms. For this, we're going to use the brown Play-Doh. Alright, the mushrooms are done. Let's make the next topping. We're going to use the red Play-Doh and make my favorite topping, pepperoni. Give us a thumbs up if you like pepperoni. Alright, now that the pepperoni's done, it's time to make the pizza crust. For the crust, we'll use brown Play-Doh. You want to flatten out the Play-Doh into the shape of a circle. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now let's add the sauce. To make the sauce, we're going to use the red Play-Doh. Just like the pizza crust, you want to flatten this out into a circle as well. Now place the sauce on top of the pizza crust. And now it's time to add the cheese. We'll use the white Play-Doh for this. We'll want to add this white Play-Doh into the extruder. This is my favorite part about Play-Doh. Alright, now let's give it a little squeeze. And this is where the knife will come in handy. We'll want to spread out the cheese and give it an even layer. Now we got a cheese pizza. Let's add some toppings. We'll start by adding some pepperoni. Next, we'll add the mushrooms. This is starting to look pretty tasty. Finally, we'll add broccoli. Alright, it's all done. Let's stick it on the pizza peel. And here's a closer look at our pizza. This looks pretty delicious. Okay, let's stick it in the oven. Alright, fresh out of the oven. Now let's cut it into slices. We can serve up a slice of pizza onto our plate. This slice has all the toppings. And finally, we can use this pizza box to put our pizza in. Alright, it's all packed up and ready for delivery. Well, this was a lot of fun. If you liked our video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.